Good morning students, I am SK Tiwari and today I am going to teach you 5 data handling. Students, before I start, I want to convey a message that we continue your online teaching through my channel Tiwari Online Classes, and I think try to solve the questions. If you feel difficulties, share to me. If the videos benefited, it is very useful, then subscribe the channel, like the videos and share the ideas and views. So students, let us start the chapter data handling. Students, data, it is very clear that any information which is collected by the observer for the some specific purpose, this is called data. So data is have some steps. First is the collections, second is the organization, and third one is the interpretations. So observer collect the data. If directly observer collect, then it is called primary data. If the data is collected by someone and it has been transferred, then it is called secondary data. Next, we can also think about the organization, that is there are the raw data which are not arranged. If the data is arranged in the tabular form, then it is, these are the steps of the organizations of the data. And third one is the interpretations of the data. In interpretations of the data, there are several types of the graphs or chart is used. First is pictograph. Pictograph, we can say that, you see this one, suppose 1 square represent 5, so obviously its value will be 15. If its value is 25, how many its can be used? It can be used as 5. So in x and y axis, this such type of any pictures can be utilized to draw the pictograph. Next is our bar graph. So in this bar graph, different bars is utilized. Its width will be same, and we leave the definite interval of space while we drawing the bars. So this is called the bar graph. We can draw the double bar graph also. Third one is histogram. So histogram is like the same, only little bit changes with the bar graphs, that is in x and y axis the bars have drawn, but difference is that these bars like the same, its value will be changes. Suppose this values, this values, this values, so like this, suppose this is 10, this is 15, this is 20, and it may be the 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So this is called histogram. So bar graph and histogram both have the same difference, is only that its bar will be continuous to each other, their will not be any kind of the spaces between the two bars. And last one is the pie chart. Pie chart is the chart which is represented through the circle. So in this circle there are central angle, so central angle can be obtained, and after that we can draw the pie chart. At last point is probability and chance. Students, suppose you are having a coin and two teams are going to play cricket. So obviously who will take the bats, that is batting will be started. It should be decided by tossing the coins. So by tossing, anyone can take the head or tail. So there are the two possibilities, and if anyone is saying that I can take the head, on such conditions its probability can be finded 1/2. So probability can be very easily we can find if the total possibilities has given and number of the occurrence of the activity has given. So it can be finded by the formula number of occurrence of the activity divided by total number of happenings. We can find the probability, and I think students you can solve the questions. If you feel any kind of the difficulties and doubts, I am remain in the classes. So students, if this videos useful benefited to you, please subscribe the channel and like the videos, and views and ideas you must share to me. Thank you.